Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to recover deleted videos and photos on Android phone. So what you need to do is head over to your settings here, and once you're there, just scroll down until you find the apps option. When you're there, just click app management and you can see here all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you need to do is search for Files by Google. You can see it here. Click that. And once you're there, you may want to force stop this application. Click force stop. And once you've done this, head over to your home again and go to Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, search for Happy Apps Free. So this Happy Apps Free is a developer and under it is this application. So you need to download that. Once you're done downloading it, open it. Click Get Started and allow all of the permissions. As you can see here, you can see the recovered images, the recovered videos, number lookup, recovered audios, and all of that. So to search for the deleted videos and photos, click Scan. You can scan images or scan videos and scan audios, but for me, I will scan video. So as you can see here, here are all the videos that I have deleted back then, and you can click one of them and now you can play it. So you can click select all and you can click the restore button here to restore all of them. So there's that. And if you want to recover the images, you just need to click this scan and you can see here all the images that you have deleted in the past. So you can click one image and you can click restore. Once you've done that and you go to your home screen, you can click recovered images and you will see it here. So there's that. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.